Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. It's October the 21st, 2019. We're going to take a look in on our blue worms and our Louisiana swamp worms. But first I want to show you this clip of some more blue worms I got over the weekend from Galen Carter. I will put her link to her channel in the description. Go over there and show her some love. I think she's only got 8 subscribers. She does do some worm videos. Got some more blue worms. All I did was open up the box and they are outside of the bag. Open up the bag here. They are got out somehow. Let's see. Oh wow. Lots of them. So they didn't all get out of the bag. There's a lot. So just got them in a mortar tray. They've already ran for cover, but I want to look at them a little more. They are nice size. Just active. There's a bunch. Lots of them. There's a tiny one, little bitty. Welcome to your new home. We got some moist bedding I got made up. Basically peat moss, shredded paper, and cardboard. I'll add that in here. Might need a little bit more. That'll be a good start. Got some frozen banana pieces. I'm gonna not make them have to try. Well, there's one already in there in the new bedding. That's it. They got their new home, got some food. Here's our original blue worms from a couple weeks ago. There's the old banana there. Looks like they have worn it out. A few worms around it. I can't remember, should have marked it where we fed last week. Looks like they're just kind of scattered out. Several there. So they're just kind of scattered out. Definitely gonna have to feed them some more this week. I am going to keep these separate from the new blue worms just because. And the Louisiana swamp worm bin. Ooh, looks like we got right into there. Look like they have worn out that lettuce. There's a cocoon. Alright. So it looks like they're doing good still. Just kind of, there's that banana peel from the first week. Got one worm still on it. Another one there. Looking good. I have to check and see what I got in the freezer to feed them, so I will feed them off camera. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.